best emergency plumbing insurance, generally your home insurance will cover plumbing, but you really do need to have a look at what's right for you. There's a lot of providers out there now. A lot of the major banks are doing home insurance, your general insurance companies. I would recommend having a look at the policy. You definitely want to make sure you're covered for things like concealed leaks, burst water pipes, pretty much anything unexpected that could pop up from plumbing. Failing that, the best insurance that you can have for your plumbing is to have a reputable plumber saved in your phone that you know and can trust. So, have a look at our reviews, check us out, save our number because we do emergency plumbing and we'd be happy to help in your emergency.